Welcome creator, my name is Scott, and this tutorial will quickly explain how to set up a video premiere on YouTube. And by that I mean there will be a countdown script which will allow your visitors to come in. When the video begins to play, they will be able to be in the chat and comment on the new video that you've created. It's kind of a hybrid between a video post and a live stream. It's pretty cool. If you're new to the channel, I provide information on video marketing, video software, and video resources for your YouTube channel. I try to combine detailed tutorials in conjunction with fun to make your learning experience super easy and to keep your spirits high while you go through the grind of turning your channel from zero to hero at the YouTube venue. Okay, while logged into your channel, click the Create button in the upper right-hand corner, Upload Video, and select your first video. Okay, hit Open. The file begins to upload to YouTube. While you're waiting, type in the title and the description and upload your thumbnail if you have it and hit Next. I'm not going to get into the monetization parameters right now. We're not getting into that. Same thing goes for the video elements, but the visibility is crucial. Okay, now you have a choice. You can either click the Publish Now drop down and select Public and set as Instant Premiere. You can do it that way, or you can select Schedule and push the video out in the future for its launch. Okay, so make sure you select the time zone. That's really important. In my case, I'm on the East Coast. I selected New York, and then you check off Set as a Premiere. Now here's the bottom line. You do not want to disappoint your visitors. When the visitors get notification that there's a video being premiered, they're going to expect to be visiting and seeing the premiere. If you set it forward in time and it's due to play in 2 days or 24 hours and they come in to see the video and it's not going to play for any time soon, it bums them out. It destroys their expectation. I recommend not setting the video as scheduled in the future. I suggest that you do a Publish Now and set it as a instant premiere. Okay, that way that when they come into the channel and they see the video, they're not disappointed. A special shout out to Fairy Tale Lopez for suggesting this topic, and a special belated happy birthday to Bottle Caps, the crazy car guy from up north. Now for a list of killer YouTube tips, click this video. I'll see you over there. I know that you're going to enjoy it. Stay strong and keep fighting. Yeah, get some!